Well, here I am. This is what I'm wearing today. So, the house is a perfect disaster. I look like a mad woman. The house looks like a mad woman made the mess. The dog's locked in her cage, and all is well, other than I'm absolutely exhausted from this fiasco. So just take a look around. So there she is, all because of her. She's dying to get out of that cage. Hi, Rochelle. Say hi to Chris. Say hi, Chris. So the floor is just covered in this powdery diatomaceous earth. Check out the carpet. Everything's torn up. Looks like I've been raided or robbed. Pillows, and there's my wonderful rug that I got for 20 bucks. And my bedroom, can't miss out on that. So here it is, there's the disaster. And it looks like you're calling. I think it's you. Who is it? It says Chris!